This is Angela Renee with Ed Magic TV, and we have here Christopher
Manor.
Manor. Like good manners?
Exactly.
And he's actually a celebrity stylist, right?
I am.
Wow.
You look nice.
Thank you. Would you recommend this to a celebrity?
I would. This is nice. I like the sequins. You're giving sex, but I mean, you're a girl and it's Hollywood, so you're allowed to do that, right?
Oh, well, thank you, I guess. So you look good. Did you put this together?
I did.
Did you design it?
No, I didn't design it. This vest is actually will.i.am's line for Antique Denim, Christian Dior shirt, Mon Italy denim. You know what I mean? Just a
I
little
love
something.
it.
Thank you.
It's very mannered. All right, enough of that. So, what are you here for?
I'm actually just here to check out the talent. I got word that it was going on. I'm always looking for talent to hone. I'm a celebrity stylist. I do some kind of brand management, artist development. So I'm always looking for artists who need a stylist, kind of to get them a look together and make them the next superstar.
All right, sounds good. So, what do you have in your car right now? What kind of music?
Kanye, Amy Winehouse, Jay-Z, T.I. It's a big variety of stuff. I got a little bit of everything.
All right, so you're kind of excited to see this unsigned talent right now.
I am excited to see the unsigned talent. It's a lot of open mics in LA, but this is a showcase that's going to showcase some real talent, so I'm interested to see who's going to be performing.
Where could I find you if I wanted to have you style my next celebrities?
My MySpace, my website, www.christopherm.book.fr. The MySpace is MySpace/C Manor. I'm sorry, CMANNOR. Check out LA Direct Magazine, Glitterati Magazine, Shar Jackson, Biling, Brittany Gastineau. You see the ladies in there fresh, I probably did it. Shout out to Ed Magic TV. You're tuned in. Keep it locked. The hottest in entertainment.